Renuglass is a facade restoration specialist. We basically work on any type of older building to help them restore their glass and aluminium facade. Peninsula Plaza is a typical project of Renuglass. Peninsula Plaza in Singapore is an iconic building from 1980 with reflective glass. So this type of glass were very famous in the 80s, but they get very polluted and no one was able to clean it, not mention restore it. That's when Renuglass came in and we offer the full restoration of the 3,000 plus pieces of glass that we restore to their original condition. It's like back in the days, back in 1980, for the cost of 300 pieces of brand new glass.
আমি গ্লাস পরিষ্কার করি আপনার এই প্রথমে গন্ডোলা নিয়ে উপরে যাই, উপরে যাওয়ার পরে এই আপনার মাকিতার মধ্যে আপনার এই প্রোডাক্ট দিয়ে তারপরে গ্লাস পরিষ্কার করি।
আমি অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ব্যবহার করব, কন্ট্রোলারের যে নিয়ম রুলস সেটা আমি ফলো করব। যদি কোনো সমস্যা থাকে গ্লাসে ফাটা বা ভাঙা এনে সমস্যা প্রবলেম থাকলে এটা আমি ফিক্সার করব, ফটো তুলব, তোলার পরে আমার সুপারভাইজার বা আমার বসকে আমি ইনফরমেশন দেব।
We are using the Novade quality app to track the progress of the project, everything which is going on. It's a reporting tool that we use on a daily basis in the office. We gather all the necessary information, important information that we believe the clients needs and want to know. Novade has a great experience in the construction industry. That was key for us because it's important to work with people who understand our business. Secondly, Novade has been very proactive into building a software fitting our need as a facade restoration company. We didn't want an off-the-shelf software that was complicated to use, that didn't fit our purpose. So we really appreciated that the team at Novade takes time to ask the right questions. The thing with construction and restoration contractors, they are not the first one to embrace technology. Renuglass totally understands the challenges, but also want to embrace the change. We are all about quality, innovation, and also service. And that's exactly where we see the technology helping us, is how to offer a better service to our client. We are very thrilled to work with Novade. We are starting our collaboration, but we are already thinking about many ways where we can offer something different to the clients. So we are now working on new tools to be able to bring to the landlords and explain them what we can do for them.